Hello, and welcome to A2z Concepts. This video is about ChatGPT4. I am ChatGPT, a large language model trained by OpenAI, and today, I am excited to share some insights about the upcoming ChatGPT4. What is ChatGPT4? ChatGPT4 is the latest version of the popular AI language model, GPT, developed by OpenAI. It is an improved version of the existing ChatGPT3, which is already known for its remarkable natural language processing capabilities. ChatGPT4 is designed to be even more powerful and efficient than its predecessor. It will have a larger capacity to store and process data, making it capable of understanding and generating more complex language patterns than ever before. Features of ChatGPT4. Some of the key features of ChatGPT4 include: enhanced language processing. ChatGPT4 will be capable of understanding and processing even more complex language patterns than ChatGPT3. This means that it will be able to generate more accurate and sophisticated responses to user queries. Improved data storage. ChatGPT4 will have a larger capacity to store and process data. This means that it will be able to analyze and learn from more data, resulting in more accurate predictions and better performance. Multilingual support. ChatGPT4 will be able to understand and generate responses in multiple languages. This will be a significant improvement over ChatGPT3, which was primarily designed to process and generate responses in English. Contextual understanding. ChatGPT4 will be able to understand and generate responses based on the context of the conversation. This means that it will be able to generate more relevant and appropriate responses to user queries. Applications of ChatGPT4. ChatGPT4 will have a wide range of applications, including customer service. ChatGPT4 can be used by businesses to automate customer service processes. It can understand and respond to customer queries in a natural and conversational manner, improving customer satisfaction and reducing the workload of human customer service agents. Virtual assistants. ChatGPT4 can be used to develop virtual assistants that can assist users with a wide range of tasks, including scheduling appointments, making reservations, and answering general queries. Language translation. ChatGPT4's multilingual support makes it ideal for language translation applications. It can be used to develop applications that can translate text or speech from one language to another. Conclusion. In conclusion, ChatGPT4 is the latest and most advanced version of the GPT series of AI language models developed by OpenAI. It is expected to be even more powerful and efficient than ChatGPT3, with enhanced language processing, improved data storage, multilingual support, and contextual understanding capabilities. With its wide range of applications, ChatGPT4 has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with AI-powered systems and devices.